This is Miss Collins, aka Miss Tell Like It Is. Today is February the 4th or the 5th. It's approximately 4:34 on the AM. And I'm in my bedroom. Now look at the thermometer. It is freezing in my bedroom. Can y'all see this? You see that? Can y'all see it? Tell me. You gotta see it. You gotta see that. Okay. In my bedroom. It is brick in here. It's freezing. This is my bedroom. The heater is right there. And my thermometer is right here. If there was any heat coming in my apartment, if there was any heat coming in here, that thermometer wouldn't be like that. Okay? I'm taking pictures and I'm recording and reporting each time, day after day, day after day, day after day, that my bedroom is frigid cold like this. See? This is my bedroom. See? There's no AC in there. Okay? There's no AC. Windows are closed. Thermometer is there. Right there. Alright, this is Miss Collins, aka Miss Tell Like It Is. When I'm done, trust me, I'm gonna be able to write a book. Do a documentary. Trust me when I tell you, when this is all said and done. If you give me a negative, I'm gonna give you a negative. Okay? Simple as that. It's as simple as that. As simple as that. All eyes on you. All eyes is on you. New York City Housing Authority.